ಲುಕ್ಕಲಿ ಬಬ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಆಹಾ ಓಹೋ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಚೆಲುವೆ ನೀನೆ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಲುಕ್ಕಲಿ ಬಬ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಅಂತಾರೋ ನಡೆದರೆ ನಾಟಿ ಅಂತಾರೋ ನಡೆದರೆ ನಾಟಿ ಅಂತಾರೋ ನಿನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲಗ್ನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲಗ್ನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಸಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮುಂದೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಮ್ಮೋ ನೋಡ್ರಮ್ಮೋ ಅಸಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮುಂದೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಮ್ಮೋ ನೋಡ್ರಮ್ಮೋ ಅಸಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮುಂದೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಮ್ಮೋ ನೋಡ್ರಮ್ಮೋ ಅಸಲಿ 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 ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮುಂದೈತಿ
We are delighted to have among us the talented team of Sita Payanam, Action King Arjun, the gorgeous Aishwarya Arjun, and Melody King Anup Rubens.
With rhyme and grace, we begin Yuva Flair by extending a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed chief guest for the day. Dance is a tribute to their inspiring journey and enduring impact on Indian cinema. We are honored to welcome these legends whose presence truly elevates this celebration. Give it up for them as they have the opportunity to dance with our Tollywood sensation, Miss Aishwarya Arjun.
ಆಹಾ ಓಹೋ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಚೆಲುವೆ ನೀನೆ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಅರೆ ಲುಕ್ಕಲಿ ಬಬ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಆಹಾ ಓಹೋ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಚೆಲುವೆ ನೀನೆ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಲುಕ್ಕಲಿ ಬಬ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಅಂತಾರೋ ನಡೆದರೆ ನಾಟಿ ಅಂತಾರೋ ನಡೆದರೆ ನಾಟಿ ಅಂತಾರೋ ನಿನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿ ಅಂತಾರೋ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಲಗ್ನ ಲಗ್ನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಸಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮುಂದೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಮ್ಮೋ ನೋಡ್ರಮ್ಮೋ ಅಸಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮುಂದೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಮ್ಮೋ ನೋಡ್ರಮ್ಮೋ ಅಸಲಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮುಂದೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಮ್ಮೋ ನೋಡ್ರಮ್ಮೋ ಅಸಲಿ
Good morning to the respected principal of St. Francis College for Women and the faculty team and all the gorgeous students and all the participants from different colleges. I'm really honored to be part of this fest today, and I thank the management team to invite me and my Sita Payanam team for this gorgeous festival. I was a very shy student when I was in college, but I used to love and enjoy this festival. Why am I here today? Of course, I would love to be a part of this festival, but there is a small tinge of selfishness in me. It's just to register Sita Payanam to all the girls here, to the womenhood here, because this movie is about women. And I'm introducing my daughter Aishwarya for the Telugu film industry, and another actor Niranjan. Today he couldn't come from Bangalore. I'm launching Niranjan also. He's a very trained actor, Mr. Upendra's nephew. And again, it is about beautiful music done by my dear friend Anup Rubens. And I'm sure assure this will be his best album till date. And hope to see you soon, maybe in theaters. God bless you.
Thank you very much, sir, for those kind words.
We now request Ms. Aishwarya to come up here and say a few words.
Hi everyone.
to the beautiful girls of St. Francis College. Hello, good morning. It's wonderful to see all of you here. My wishes and thank you so much to the entire team. And I think coming back here, well, I studied in an all-girls school and an all-girls college. So it feels like coming back home. I remember being there, doing exactly what you all are doing, dancing and performing. Me back in time when I used to perform with my team. So nostalgic. So yes, I think we are here, like my father rightly said, this is my first Telugu film. I'm getting introduced and no better way than Sita Payanam. For me, this is special for all the right reasons, because it's personal, but also the story. All you girls here, I can vouch that you all will 100% connect with the story of the movie. So thank you so much and watch the movie on 14th of February. Thank you.
That was beautiful, ma'am. Thank you so much.
May I now request Mr. Anurup Rubens to address the audience. Thank you.
Respected principal and all the staff, teachers, happy to be here. I have a bonding with this college actually. I used to play the keyboard music for this college like way back for the college fest and all. So good to see you all here. So beautiful faces over here, the happy, energetic. And Sita Payanam, it's a great experience with none other than Arjun sir and a very talented Aishwarya, and I'm sure she's gonna have a great career in this Telugu, because welcome to the Telugu industry, Aishwarya. Thank you so much. Thank you, St. Francis. Thank you for the love.
ఆహా హో అంటారో అందు నీనే అంటారో.
Hello Aishwarya ma'am.
Hi.
Since Sita Payanam being one of your first Telugu films, how was your experience working with your own father as the director of the film?
Well, it was, I've already worked with him before, so it was very easy. And I think any actor or even Anup sir would vouch that he's very comfortable to work with, and especially with actors because he himself is an actor. So I've learned a lot from him. Like, he pretends like he's not teaching much, but when you see our performances, it's all his work. So yeah,
Wish you very all the best.
thank you.
Hello Arjun sir, good morning. This question is for you. As an actor, what motivates you to keep improving even after many years?
It's fear. You have to look fit. You have to perform well. It's fear.
Good morning, Arjun sir. I'm right next to you.
Okay.
I've seen your movies since my childhood. I don't know much Telugu, but then on that days I used to sing Rani Ranamba. Please croon that song for the college.
You know, it's nice people still remember
Your
the
first
movie of
movie.
1984. It was a wonderful movie.
Ma'am, I have a very, very important question. Like, when you were selected for this movie, what was your feeling?
My feeling is the same answer that my father said, fear, because I'm a third generation actor. So, you know, what people see is a platform, but what I see is a responsibility. We need to be good at what...
She never selected. I didn't select her. She selected me as a director.
No. I mean, but yes, we always have a responsibility to give our best. So I hope I've kept up to it.
ಯಾವೂರಿಗೆ ಹೊಕ್ಕಿಯೇ ಹುಡುಗಿ ನೀ ಯಾವೂರಿಗೆ ಹೊಕ್ಕಿಯೇ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಯಾವೂರಿಗೆ ಹೊಕ್ಕಿಯೇ ಹುಡುಗಿ ನೀ ಯಾವೂರಿಗೆ ಹೊಕ್ಕಿಯೇ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಕಾರವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನೀ ಕಾಗೆ ಕುಕ್ಕಿ ಬಿಡ್ತದ ಸಂಡೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನೀ ಸೊಂಟ ಉಳುಕಿ ಬಿಡ್ತದ ಶಿಡ್ಲಘಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನೀ ಸೆಟ್ಲು ಬಾಳ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ತದ ಗಾಜನೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನೀ ಗಾಜು ಚುಚ್ಚಿಕೊಳ್ತದ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾರ ಹುಡುಗಿ ನೀ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾರ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಬೆಂದು ಬೆಂಡಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿಯ ಬೆಡಗಿ